Hey YouTube, this is a review about the learning feature of the remote, the universal remote on the HTC One. This is the Sprint model, and I mean, I was I found this out by just messing with it, trying to get a button to work that wouldn't work, such as input, and I couldn't get it to work. So I said, well, let me just look at some of the menu options, and if you go right there and you see it say button setup, touch button setup, okay. And then it say remote buttons. Yes. Let's go to next. Need to go back. Input. Let's just do input buttons on the TV. And then you see it's waiting for a signal from the other remote. And I'll just do this. And you just point it. You just point it at the, and it recognized it. And it said, if you read, it said, okay, we've learned your new button. Go ahead and try it out. And you got it right there. And you just press the button and you check to see if it works. And then if it works, you press yes. But I'm gonna press no because I already did it. But yeah, this uh neat feature. Everybody been talking about the LG, the G2 that has the actual learning feature, but the HTC One has the learning feature too. Thank you, and y'all have a nice day.